IDK. What kind of official all men are created equal? Only the coolest build model railways shirt. Sauce they use for Taco Bell enchiladas, but those ain't it, chief. Here's a good recipe, and if you can't find mole sauce or mole powder, here's a good enough version from scratch. You can. Official all men are created equal. Only the coolest build model railways shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. You can accompany official all men are created equal. Only the coolest build model railways shirts it with Coke. Trust me, it's a heavy dish for the gut, so it kinda helps with digestion, although this is more so a personal experience. Or even better with Agua de Jamaica. Just as good if not. Other products.